Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. This is Miss Margie. Today we're going to be taking the tram in Hong Kong. Are you ready? Let's go. The tram in Hong Kong, also known as the Ding Ding, started running in 1904, which was 119 years ago. The name Ding Ding is in reference to the double bell ring used by trams to let people know that it is pulling into the tram stop.
Hi everyone! Today we're going to be taking the tram. This is the Kennedy Town Terminus. Now as you can see here, this is the map for the tram. It'll tell you exactly where it's going to stop. Here it tells you the service hours, and here is the pricing. Now please pay attention, with trams, you actually get on from the back doors. And you don't tap your octopus card or pay yet until you get off the tram from the front doors.
Now to pay for the tram, you can choose to tap your octopus card or your credit card. You can also pay the exact amount into the money slot.
Okay, let's go take the tram together! Now in the tram, there are two decks. You can choose to sit on the lower deck, or you can choose to go up the stairs and sit on the upper deck. Now how about we go upstairs today and sit on the upper deck? When you get onto the tram, make sure you sit down because it's going to be moving soon. If it gets too packed, you can stand and you can hold onto the railing. Okay? We're moving now. There's so many windows on the tram up there. Look at the beautiful view.
There are 165 trams in Hong Kong, which runs from west to the east on the Hong Kong Island, with a branch that circulates through Happy Valley. Trams run on their own tracks on the road with electric cables that are attached to the top of the tram, which glides through the city. Trams are usually double-deckered and can fit a maximum of 115 people. There are 120 stops from Kennedy Town to Shao Kei Wan. Now trams are quite old, so only the newer trams have screens to show you which stop is coming next. Trams are generally the cheapest form of transportation in Hong Kong, and the operating hours are from 5:30 a.m. to 12:30 a.m. Now keep in mind that trams only run on the Hong Kong Island and not on the Kowloon side or New Territories.
Okay, now we're gonna be getting off the tram soon. Don't forget your octopus card because that's when we pay for the ride. Let's go. Be careful. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed taking the tram with me today. See you guys next time.
I hope you guys had a lot of fun with me today, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye bye!